Hello and welcome, guys. Today in this video I gonna show you how to fix someone else is using this PC. First of all, go to settings and click on accounts. Now click on sign in option. Now toggle into off position. Use my sign in for automatically finish setting up my device and reopen my apps after an update or restart. So friends, you need to toggle it to off position. Another thing you have to try, open Task Manager. Now, in here, click on User. Make sure if you will see more than one account, because it's one account is your main account, then disconnect. After that, I will show you how to restart your PC by using different ways. You just have to press Windows key plus X plus U plus R to restart your computer. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks.